In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hubspot to Google Calendar. We're going to walk through this process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, your Hubspot account will be connected to your Google Calendar, and your meetings and scheduling links will work seamlessly. Start by opening your Hubspot account. Once you're logged in, look to the very top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that. This will open your main settings area where you can control how your Hubspot account behaves behind the scenes. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From here, find and click on the General section. This is where Hubspot keeps many of your basic account preferences, including the calendar connection we're setting up today. Within General, look toward the top of the main panel for the Calendar tab and click on it. This tab is dedicated to everything related to your calendar sync and meeting scheduling tools. Inside the Calendar tab, you should see an option that says Connect Your Calendar. Click that button. This tells Hubspot that you want to link an external calendar service to your account. A dialog box will pop up asking which calendar provider you want to connect. Choose Google or Gmail from the options. This is what allows Hubspot to talk directly to your Google Calendar. You'll now be redirected to a Google page. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts, you'll see a list of them. Select the specific Google account you want to sync with Hubspot. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Google email and password, then continue. Google will then show you a permission screen. This is important to review. Hubspot needs permission to view and manage your calendar in order to create, update, and track events from your meetings. Take a moment to read through the permissions, and when you're comfortable, click Allow to confirm. After that, you'll be redirected back to Hubspot, and you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your calendar has been connected successfully. To finish up, stay in the Calendar tab and look for two checkboxes, one for Calendar Sync and another for meeting scheduling pages. Make sure both of these are selected. This ensures that your events sync correctly and that your Hubspot meeting links use your Google Calendar in real time. Once those are checked, your setup is complete and your Hubspot and Google Calendar are now working together.